This video will provide a list of protein-rich sources that are all plant-based. Protein is an essential nutrient to keep your body functioning well. Proteins are part of every cell in your body and are needed to build and repair muscle, tissue, skin, nails, and hair. Protein also helps build hormones and enzymes. Some experts believe that a high-in-protein diet can help lower blood pressure, decrease your risk of developing diabetes, help you lose weight, and build muscle. Meats like turkey breast, chicken, and extra lean sirloin are enriched with a ton of protein. However, meat doesn't always fit into everyone's diet. Certain plant foods contain significantly more protein than meats. Plant-based protein foods can provide more fiber and less saturated fat than other types of protein foods. This can be beneficial for your digestive system and for promoting heart health. Here are some of the healthiest high-protein plant foods to add to your diet. Number 1. Almonds or almond butter. Protein content: 12 grams protein in a quarter cup serving of almonds, or 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Almonds are rich in energy, around 574 calories per 100 grams, and contain nutrients, minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins essential for optimum health. Almond butter provides protein, as well as calcium, magnesium, and iron. Number 2. Soybean. Protein content: 18 grams per 1 cup serving, cooked. Soybeans provide nearly as many essential amino acids as animal proteins do. They are available as fresh beans, called edamame. The yellow beans are mature soybeans. If you have an option, always try to choose organic soy. Apart from being a source of protein, soybeans also provide us with a good dose of B vitamins. Number 3. Quinoa. Protein content: 8 grams for 1 cup serving, cooked. Quinoa is gluten-free, high in protein, and one of a few plants that contain all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin E, and many crucial antioxidants. Quinoa also has a very low glycemic index, which is good for blood sugar control. Number 4. Black beans. Protein content: 15 grams protein in 1 cup serving, cooked. Black beans are also packed with fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin B6, and many phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are chemicals produced by plants. Plants use them to stay healthy and protect themselves from the damaging environment. Black beans also boast antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 5. Hemp seed. Protein content: 31 grams of protein per 100 grams serving. Hemp seed is an absolute winner when it comes to plant-based protein. It contains all 22 known amino acids. This includes 9 essential aminos that our body cannot produce on its own and must take from dietary sources. It also boasts an excellent balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Hemp seeds are also high in magnesium, a mineral that helps with relaxation, blood sugar control, and blood pressure. Number 6. Butter, Lima beans. Protein content: 14 grams protein in 1 cup serving, cooked. They're called butter beans for a reason. Delicate in flavor, butter beans are great ingredients for many dishes with a starchy yet buttery texture. They're an excellent source of minerals like iron, copper, manganese, calcium, and magnesium, in addition to having more potassium than other beans. Number 7. Hummus. Protein content: 8 grams of protein per 100 grams serving. This lovely, simple dip offers a good dose of proteins and heart-friendly fats. Hummus is also a great source of dietary fiber and is a low glycemic index food. Hummus is surprisingly one of the easiest dishes you can make. All you need is a small food processor, a can of chickpeas, a garlic clove, extra virgin olive oil, tahini, lemon juice, and salt. Blend all ingredients in the processor, and your homemade dip is ready to enjoy. Swapping meat for plant-based protein is not only healthier for us overall, but is also an easy way to save the animals and stop supporting the mass production of meat and the animal cruelty that goes along with it. Whether you're a vegan, a vegetarian, or a meat eater looking for more health-conscious dining options, these plant-based protein substitutes are a great way to add diversity and nutrients to your daily meals. We hope this video was useful to you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.